You guys see, I keep trying to stop it, but it's just bouncing so crazy. Yo, what's up, Diamond family? It's your man Vivi, and welcome back to the VVS Academy. As you guys know, I'm here every week dropping off gems, teaching you to record and mix your music better, but this time I got something different. I'm going to be teaching you guys how to produce your music better. That's right, you saw the title. I'm going to show you guys how I produced the track from my Summer Walker video. I'm going to walk you guys through every instrument, all the chords I played and everything, really show you guys what I did. So if you're ready, let's jump right into it, man. And at the end of this, if you want all the instruments, I'll give you guys the MIDI as well as the samples and the chords and everything. It's free down below. Just follow the link, you can grab it. All right. Let's get to it. So this song was originally recorded on a YouTube beat, and I liked it so much that I wanted to reproduce it. So I stripped the vocals out, and I have the acapella in here, and I was just listening to this, and then that's what I built the chords off of. So I'm gonna show you guys how that went. Right, so that's the main chord progression of the song, right? And it's what is that, 2? Yeah, it's a 2, 3, 6. So we're in the key of A flat. So I found this guitar sound in Kontakt. I really like the guitar. I've actually been using this same jazz guitar in Kontakt for a long time. I'll pull it up on the screen. Yeah, it's literally the most basic Kontakt instrument you can find. This jazz guitar. Yeah, so that's the guitar sound, right? Those are the chords that we played, and then I think after that I actually added some chords. And for this I used Anna. And if you guys aren't using Anna, you got to check this out. It comes free with the Slate stuff. And I found this sound called Faded. Right, so those two sounds kind of carry the weight of the track. Those two sounds and the vocal melody. So let's play those together. So I really like the way that sound faded. It kind of creates a bed for everything to rest on and kind of lay on, and then the guitar just kind of reinforces the melody of what she's singing. It's kind of bringing a counter melody to it, and it's super cool the way they play off of each other. And then comes, of course, the most important thing is bass, man. Right, you gotta have the low end bumping. I think I used Anna for the 808s here. Let me see. Let's play this. Pull up on me on the weekend. It's been a while since you gave me some. Don't do too much talking, not too much thinking. Soon as you end, you're gonna fall in love. Yeah, so I used Anna for the 808s, which I do a lot. I like the 808s that are in here. Clean but Big is the 808 that I used. I think it's a really good preset. I wanted an 808 that was kind of short and choppy. I didn't want anything that was dragging out too much. And I think this one gave us the right amount of attack to play off of the drums that we added. Yeah, so the relationship, you see why we needed that short 808, because it keeps everything bouncy. And the song, like the way she's singing, is very like flowy. The chords that we're playing, like they got that bed, and so we needed something to make it punch and bounce and ride like you know what I'm saying? It's got to have that bounce to it. It's got to have the bounce, right? So let's bring back in where we already had the chords, and we'll bring back in, actually, these are the chords. We'll bring those back in and let's play it. So two things happen, and I'm going to show you what they both are. I use this stab that also comes from Complete Melted Vibes. This is a dope sound. This is a dope little like pack within Complete. I really like this sound pack, and I just played the same chords. It's really a repetition of the same chord progression on different sounds with very slightly different variations to the melody. Different, passing notes is really all it is. So we just went super simple. But it just adds that little bit of high end, flirtatious playfulness to the song that we kind of needed. So let's play that. So cool. Kind of the last thing I added was this sound right here from Complete. And let me see what this one is. Oh, from Lo-Fi Glow. That one's tough to say. From Lo-Fi Glow. And it's just another bass, honestly. And if you listen, it's a bass sound, but I'm playing it like a lead. And I don't know, it was kind of added some fun, especially when we got to do these slides and stuff in here. So I'm going to take the drums out. I'm going to take the 808s out. And you can really hear what that sound is doing on its own, in relation to the rest of the melodies. Right, so that's pretty much the entire track. I added a couple of risers. I added my tag at the very beginning. So let's do it.
Guilty, I'm his alibi. Yeah, pull up on me on the weekend. It's been a while since you gave me some. Don't do too much talking, not too much thinking. Soon as you in it, you're gon' fall in love. Yeah, put me down when the lights down. Smooth it out, I'm shaped butterfly now. Your love can be higher than the knife.
You guys see, I keep trying to stop it, but it's just bouncing so crazy. And if you can hear the song, it just moves so much and it evolves and it grows and it changes. And that's the key, really. The song can't ever get boring. It can't sit still. We use the murder melodies to just kind of filter out the lead guitar part of the song and give it just some different dynamic, just some variation. All of that is just so key in keeping your production interesting, keeping the listener engaged, and inspiring the artist. So keep those things in mind the next time you go to produce your next R&B banger. All right, guys. Again, if you need the stems or you want the, anything I use is down below, man. My name is Vivi, and I'm here for you. Remember, stay humble, make diamonds only. Peace.
When I'm with him, don't recognize any nigga they out of mind. They don't know what we do. Even if he guilty, I'm his alibi. Yeah, pull up on me on the weekend. It's been a while since you gave me